Hello, my name is Mallory Musselman.
I'm Sarah Storms.
And for our scavenger hunt, the first thing that we had to find was a solid. And I wrote down a banana on my lab sheet, but my husband ate the banana and we only had one. So our example of a solid would be a blueberry. We know that it's a solid because it has a definite shape and because it doesn't take shape of its surrounding. So that's how we know that it's a solid. And then
For liquid, we did water because it flows and it takes the shape of its container. In this case, it's the bottle, and you can see it moving around in the bottle.
awesome. And then our heterogeneous mixture
That's ice water.
was ice water. So this is a heterogeneous mixture because you can see the two different like components making up the ice water, but they're still like two separate entities. So that's heterogeneous mixture.
And chocolate milk. For a homogeneous mixture, we did chocolate milk because it is a mixture of milk and chocolate syrup, but once you mix it together, it's just one substance.
All right. And then aerosol, which really confused me for a second. Okay, so an example of aerosol that is like a food example that's a common thing that you can find in a kitchen would be like cooking spray. And the characteristics of an aerosol is that it's a liquid. It's in liquid form while it's in here, but it's pressurized so that when you actually use it and you spray it, it turns into like a gas. It has gas coming out of it, even though it was just like a liquid.
For the suspension, we have some meatballs and spaghetti sauce because you can put the meatballs in the sauce, but they'll just soak to the bottom.
All right. And then our last one was emulsion. And we just use like regular oil and water, and the like you can see how it's separated out. So you can mix them together, like temporarily you can mix them together and it'll look like they're mixed, but eventually the water will settle at the bottom and then the oil will just go back to the top. So there's that. Alright, so those are our common examples of
Chemistry in the kitchen.
scavenger hunt. Thank you.